One more song. Here's a song on Siri, Imani's new album called Worthy. Check it out. Dance with us. Let's fly.
But before we get into this real quick, did y'all have a good time with us tonight? Yeah! That's what I want to hear. That's what I have. I want us to be friends by the end of this, okay? I like to do something before I rap. If you can hear my voice, say try. From the front to the back, if you can hear my voice, just yell it out, try. From the left to the right, if you can hear my voice and you accept this invitation to my family, my tribe, you yell it back, say try, This song is called Earth Trembles. I wrote it for me, and in return, I wrote it for you. This is your reminder that you are the magic. No matter where you go, no matter what you accomplish, you will accomplish everything you want to accomplish. But remember that the magic is where it matters. And usually for me, that's home. So this is called Earth Trembles. And let's have some fun. Allow your body to dance. Allow yourself to move. Even if you're in the seats right now, you can hit a little shoulder wiggle, whatever. We about to have some fun.